America loves speed, but America also loves saving money at the pump. Today, we're putting raw power and fuel efficiency head-to-head in the ultimate showdown. In one corner, the Ford Mustang GT, a V8 beast with 480 horsepower. In the other, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, a fuel-sipping SUV that can go over 580 miles on a single tank. Which one is worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. The appeal of power. Let's start with what we all secretly crave: power. The Ford Mustang GT comes with naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8, delivering a heart-pounding 0 to 60 in just 4.3 seconds. You don't just drive a Mustang, you command it. That deep exhaust note? It's basically an adrenaline soundtrack. But here's the compromise. Power comes at price. And I'm not just talking about the $45,000 sticker. The GT averages around 15 miles per gallon in the city, which means you'll see your gas station clerk more than your best friend. Insurance costs? Yep, they're higher too. The case for fuel economy. On the other side, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid isn't going to win drag races, but it wins big at the pump. With up to 41 mpg in the city, you can wave goodbye to constant fill-ups. It's spacious, family-friendly, and still has enough pep to handle highway merging without breaking a sweat. But you do sacrifice something: excitement. The RAV4 Hybrid's 219 combined horsepower is enough for daily driving, but compared to a V8, it feels, well, tame. Real life cost over 5 years. Let's talk numbers. Over 5 years, assuming 12,000 miles a year, the Mustang GT's fuel bill could top $11,000. The RAV4 Hybrid, closer to $4,000. Factor in insurance, and the gap widens. But then again, can you really put a price on the sound of a roaring V8? Who wins? So which one should you buy? If driving is your passion, if you live for the weekend cruise or track day, the Mustang GT is your car. You'll pay more at the pump, but every drive feels like an event. If your goal is practicality, saving money, and avoiding gas station small talk, the RAV4 Hybrid is a smarter choice. It's the kind of car that quietly wins every day. Power or fuel economy? The eternal struggle for car buyers. Which side are you on? Drop your choice in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more head-to-head car battles.